Cleveland. My name is Roseanne, and I play her sister, Maggie.
Best friend, Magia, I'm charging. I mean, I'm gonna sell you out in your body. Go, best friend. Yeah, that's my best friend.
Good day. As you see, I'm totally undone. But today I am going to a premiere for a show that I was on. I was basically assisting on a film project. I'll show you the flyer somewhere in this vlog, but yeah, I was an assistant on this film project in my first year. So I was the intern on this film project. So I'm gonna basically go to the premiere for that film project, and I'll basically show you guys what the premiere like and all of that. But what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna basically go get ready, and I'll show you my ready look when I'm all glammed up and I'm all ready. I'll show you the look, and I'll show you me to the journey, you know, at the premiere. So I'll show you all at the premiere and the maybe a snappity of the show. So yeah, so I'm gonna get ready now. I am very early because even though I know where, I wasn't sure, so I'm here early. You see the beautiful backdrop, I'll show you guys. I'm here early, so students are set up. Great carpet moment so happen yet, but I'm here. We're at the premiere. I need to show you guys my outfit. I just matched my in my back. At the premiere, guys. So here is another big star, Alicia. She played the bad guy in the movie. Say hi. Hi. How the premiere look so far?
It's looking good. Look at our nice decor. We're supposed to have some speakers here today. So I'm looking forward to that and seeing the movie on screen. So let's see if I did a good job.
Yes.
Thank you all for being here, and thank you guys for your utmost patience. We're having a bit difficulties, but thank you guys very much for supporting us. Alright, my name is Roseanne Lawrence, and I'm an assistant producer to Network and also to Reggae TV, as you guys saw on the screens here. Okay? My role is that I assist and fill in the best way I can to keep the production going. As you guys see that I've been doing right now as we're about to start the show. Stars was wonderful. I had an amazing time doing it. And we have basically some of the stars here from Stars. Basically, you waited. But try my best to shout them out, even though they're giving me eyes. They don't want to be on stage or up here right now. But alright. I also starred in Stars. I played a sister to one of the stars here, Teresa. Well, she was here. And yeah, it was really interesting. The film is to open eyes about human trafficking, even though us Jamaicans claim that we don't have human trafficking here, we don't have kidnapping and all of that. But we do have it here in Jamaica as well. And so this is to open your eyes that, hey, it's happening overseas, it's happening in India, it's happening everywhere. And even though we like to say, oh, it's only women are getting human trafficked. No, not only women, it's not only girls. Boys are happening to boys as well. So we need to open our eyes and look around and also be an ally to anyone that you feel is in danger. Anyone that you assume that something bad is happening to them, open your eyes and say, hey, let me be an ally, let me help. Because you might be saving someone's life, or you might be opening up a big case, you know. You might be the detective of that. So basically that's what Scar is about. And Scars, even though Scars is a series, it's supposed to be a series, but it's going to be a series, thank to God, it's going to be a series. we want to show you guys the first draft of it, alright? So I'm going to try to show out some of our stars here. The bad woman, big bad human trafficker. We will shout out for Alisa, the bad woman. And if you guys don't know, Alisa here, she stars in other shows and she tends to play bad girl in the shows. I don't know why, but in real life she's so sweet. You can't see her of life.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming on. This is a big turnout and it shows how many people are interested in mental health, interested in pain that others are going through.
And then, you have to be a bit, and say, I'm a guy who wants to drink. And the next one, you come and tell me, say, you go step around again. And then, so you come back with you?
Sis, it's not opportunity. You got my position. I'm going to get one on there. I'm going to say Jessica. Jessica, will you and I talk about some? What can you do now, so? So we can do that. I'm also going to show you. Jessica, what do you do? Yes, don't get what she's online. Yeah, keep things from me. Come, big up and down. I go, big up and so you and I go. It's a fun one. Abandon beach. That's not an issue. Yeah. You want to hear more addition. Yeah, go there. I was having some pretty places to show that I do that. You're in Africa, so that's true. Alright, let me forget the promise today. I'm going to call me now. We know all your stay. You know, text them a little call. I'm going to call me. I'm going to call you. Alright.
Young adults, right? She enjoys working with all age groups and genders, and she enjoys providing individual, couples, and family therapy. She has worked with individuals presenting. So here with Teresa. Hi. She be my sister.
Yes. So this is the
Look at her lovely outcome. Look lovely. We're in opposites. Mixes black and white to see. Her back.
And she put on her shoes, people.
Whenever my one didn't buy.
Still.
It was fun. I enjoyed every moment of it. Yes.
What about you, Teresa?
Fun and it was fun.
Okay.
Learned a lot of stuff.